Taste test.
Oh my God, this is actually good.
Really?
It's that good to the point where I walk back in
And get another.
something for later.
Wow. Right? Oh wait.
This is dangerous.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start with an Airbnb tour. We walk in. Here is the hallway. All right. On the left, you have a bathroom. The bathroom is nice, except when we run out of hot water, it feels like an ice bath. So other than that, it's great. Here's a cute little mirror in the hallway. Cool, whatever. Here is me and Imani's 2 twin beds pushed together.
Period.
Period. This room is nice.
Dang, you didn't want to clean it up first?
Nah, man, this is authentic. This is the authentic vibe of our room. She was saying I didn't want to clean up first. I could have, I guess, but this is real. This is how we live in. Here's our crusty room. All right, then we're going to go this way into the living room. Even same level of crust. All right, couch. This is our 10-inch TV we got. We have another sliding door here. Wow. It's crazy because during the day, there is a really strong breeze, but as soon as the sun goes down, the breeze stops and it's hot and we're sweating every single night. So, don't know what to do with that. And then in here, if you come this way, we got a kitchen just as crusty as the rest. Wow, it is actually really crusty in here. And now I'm like, maybe I should have cleaned up a little bit.
It's dusty in here.
It's a different type of dust in here. Okay, so today me and Imani are gonna go walk. And I can't even tell you what we're going to do because I can't make no promises because we've been saying a lot of things we're going to do and then we don't do any of them. But the plan is to get up and go walk and see some churches. Say hey, Money. Yeah, Porto. I like Porto. We're not going to Lisbon at all because every video I watched and most people I talked to, they said that Porto is the place to be. And honestly, so far it has been the place to be. It's been great. We've had some really good seafood. The first couple of days we were here, we did not have good food, but then we were on a high for like 3 days and we were having nothing but seafood. So if you come to Porto, only eat the local dishes because those are the good ones, which makes sense because it just naturally makes sense. And yeah, that's about it. Pitch angle too large. What does that even mean? I'm acting like I know how to work this thing.
Oh, goodness gracious. There you go. Oh, oh. Oh no!
I'm not survived. We crashed the drone. I'm a fake drone pilot.
Oh no!
I think I got some more arms. Maybe we're not gonna take off here. We decided.
Oh, so you're putting it away now?
Yeah, we're not doing it again.
Okay, okay.
So, if you look that way, there's water.
And more water.
And more water.
Damn, oh shit.
unlimited sardines.
That's crazy.
It's so many sardines. It's a sardine Ferris wheel. It's crazy.
Oh, Carla. Carla.
I was like, all right, how we feeling?
Feeling great.
Warm. Oh, you switched?
What are we gonna do today?
Sir, we're gonna be
We about to go surfing.
Huh?
How you feeling?
For everything.
I gotta do the 0.5 for you. I gotta take pictures with you. Yeah, we will see.
Eu vou pra Maracangalha, eu vou de uniforme branco, eu vou.
We have been doing literally nothing all day. We watched a TV series and starving ourselves. What?
We watched one episode.
We watched one episode that took us like 3 hours because we kept pausing it. We watched one episode and
Discussions were mandatory.
discussions were mandatory. It's called The Perfect Match. If you haven't seen it, go see it. It got schmissy. And then we have been waiting till 7:30 to go to this fish place that we went to the other day that I was obsessed with. It's probably one of the top meals we've had here, and I've been thinking about it ever since because it's our last day. We're trying to go back, but they don't open until 7:30. How much time we got left?
No.
That's
At least an
how we
hour.
feeling. We got at least an hour to walk around and kill time before we could go eat fish.
Look at this bar. Look at this bar. I need a croissant. I need some type of glucose if I'm gonna survive.
Let's go in Little, see what they got.
Alright.
They gonna have a croissant in Little. This is the grocery store. Casa de Ferno. All right.
That's perfect because this is the last thing that we really didn't do.
Go to the grocery store.
Go to the residential area.
Oh, okay. Oh wow. It's large. It's large. Oh look. There's your croissant. 6 for $1.95.
I don't want that croissant. I want these croissants.
Those butter croissants. Those look good.
Farinata.
Mm.
Of course, this is gonna have a thing.
This looks so good.
I know. They remind me of the ones in Argentina.
Oh,
I know this about this slap.
let me get a bite.
Got paid for it first. Maybe those people. They got blackberries.
Oh yeah, look.
Played ourselves.
I know. We should have came here first.
Hey, that's so tragic.
Yeah.
Because I actually felt good this morning cooking that.
We've been spending a disrespectful amount of money on food. No, we're gonna be. I was gonna say we're gonna be better, but this should have been our time to be better. It's all downhill from
Yeah,
here.
it's gonna be all downhill.
We're going to Greece with my mom and then our other friends, so it's all downhill from here.
I want these black. Well, I'm gonna come here tomorrow to get food for the flight.
Okay.
Why'd you say it like we're not gonna do that?
Because I don't believe anything you say.
You said it like we're not gonna do it.
Because she's
Should
so
we get it
confident
now?
with the stuff she says.
Can I just get it now?
I mean, realistically, what are the odds we come back tomorrow? So, everything we've been saying we're going to do tomorrow, we don't do. That's why I just got to say K, and we'll see what happens.
It's like 5 in here.
I could eat some blueberries.
Some snacks for tonight.
I'll get the blueberries.
What is your blackberry expertise?
You got to get the ones with the bigger... Oh, they both look good.
Yeah.
Yeah. The black of the berry, the sweet of the juice. Picking the blackberry, you get the one with the biggest circles. Biometillo organic Biologico Portugal original. It's a whole meat section. So many. Look at them. This is what I need. I need some. Is that foot cream? I need the hand cream. I'm trying to get some hand cream because I ran out. It smells good. Wow. Just like that. I assume Mao is hand. And it's vegan. So we love it. It's literally, the fish is just chilling. Wow. I wonder how you do this. I'm sure there's a bag. Oh, look, there's a scooper. There's a bag here, and there's a scooper, and you just scoop the frozen shrimps into the bag. That's cool. Oh my god, those are big. Wow. This is so right. Here, give me a chip review while you're at it. Those green ones are so good. The patas fritas.
Oh, these are a chip review. I said, give me it.
I said, give me a chip review.
Listen, this chip is fire. I got these because I was being basic and it said gourmet and like Lay's, like I know them. But these,
The snack day. Patatas fritas.
that's a different type of chip.
Amazing. Now we're in the park and people are skating. So we still have approximately 45 minutes until we can go eat dinner. So we're going to survive off the patatas fritas. I got that huge sigh. We're back. It's just so good, Imani. The onion. The onion bean. Guys, if you're ever coming to Portugal, this is a must-try place on the to-do list, yeah? Would you say?
I would say, dear.
I would say it's a must-try place, yeah. This is our last night in Porto.
And I got leftovers.
And I've got nothing because I ate it all. Look at this street. It is so beautiful. I'm freezing. It's cold.
So cool.
It's a bit chilly in the air.
And the moment the nighttime comes and we need that breeze,
It's gonna be hot. That's the thing, it's so breezy during the day, and as soon as the sun goes down, the wind stops and it is hot. I don't know why, but it just is.
Still here.
Give me a high five. This is the end of our Porto trip. We did it.
We did it, yay!
We got more places to go.
More stamps to achieve.
More stamps to get. More places to see. More sights to be at. Oh my goodness, look at the kitty. Hi, buddy.
We're going to Greece. It might be broke. So instead of being realistically ghetto, I gotta be real ghetto for your sake.
That's because we don't need bad Airbnb reviews.
What is it? They still got to go, Bo.
They stole our stuff.
My mama talk. This is Miss Lisa. Benny would just be like, "Oh, that shit in the trash. Buy something else." But Miss Lisa, she's like, "No, I'm eating this." That's exactly what the freak I'm gonna do.
If y'all ever need to take food to go, just cut a water bottle in half and shove it to the brim. Stuff it to the brim.
Anything that we buy in the airport will not taste like this. I know TT is impressed by me right now. She doesn't want to say it.
I think this is great.
As always.
We just have so much shit. We were supposed to have less by now.
We do. We just have more bags because we have food for sustenance. And then we have freaking laundry, which will be
Yeah. Bye, Porto.
Bye, Porto.
Lugging around suitcase on cobblestone is so foul, Imani.
You deserve it. It's our workout.
I don't just need a workout. I'm tired.
I'm tired, Rainbow. Just keep on digging. Stop yelling. Just stay yelling. Imani, stay yelling in your.
Yes, I remember that. I watched Holes a couple weeks ago.
No way.
Hannah.
This road. Well, just keep on.
Here she go again.
It's frozen.
Eating in the laundromat.
Huh?
I said, here she go again with her next meal. First it was the beans and the rice in a water bottle. Now it's the frozen yogurt at the laundromat.
And we left the apartment 2 hours ago. Why do you eat it like it's dough? You eat it like it's like pizza dough. You eat it like this. It's stuck to the roof of my mouth. You eat it like you're churning it. You don't feel like I do, but this don't remind you of Hawaiian rolls? Did you have a Hawaiian roll face?
I've never just sat there and ate Hawaiian rolls. That's a very you thing to do. Just eat bread by itself. It's crazy.
You never had Hawaiian roll face? It's crazy.
It's, you having Hawaiian roll face is the most humane thing that you could do.
I ate 12 of them bitches.
I know. I can envision it. I can see you going to the store and buying a pack of Hawaiian rolls and eating it for 2 days straight.
Me and my brother would eat that junk for weeks. He's still in the face. He just carry them in his lunchbox.
Tastes like Popeyes. No, you know.
They're just a little cold. Only thing is, if there's meat in them, like if they cook the beans in like the pork juice, I might be screwed later. Because it has been
Don't
like 12
say
hours.
pork. They wouldn't do you like that.
I mean, I hope not.
If you get a fish dish and it comes with rice and beans, the most disrespectful thing you could do is make the beans meat.